Let's do a quick tutorial. Let's do another trashy Linux terminal command tutorial coming right up. Alright, so last week or so you might recall I showed you how to enable the delete command for Ubuntu. So let's try something a little bit more adventurous, for lack of a better term, for newbies. Let me show you how to do this in the terminal safely. That is, this is what you need to do if you have installed Ubuntu Mate or Ubuntu. Sudo apt install trash-cli. We need to install this first, okay? And this is free. Once you have done that, the command is trash-empty to empty your trash. So, for example, if I open up my trash, I have an empty folder here. Now, I could empty trash. I could do that. I could right-click and do this. But let's do something in the terminal just to show newbies that you do not have to be afraid of the terminal. So, let me open up my terminal here. And I already typed this in, trash-empty. Enter. Oh, that was painful, wasn't it? No. That's it. My trash is now empty. I mean, that's how simple some terminal commands can be. I will post these commands below in the show notes. But as far as at least some Linux-based operating systems, you do not have to be an expert in terminal commands to use Linux. If you use Ubuntu or Ubuntu base, you should be okay. Now, there's nothing wrong with learning advanced terminal commands. It may be somewhere down the line once you get used to running a Linux-based operating system. But that's probably one of the more common myths that I need to debunk, being that some people say you need to learn the terminal to use Linux. That may be true for some Linux, but not for all of it. Anyway, that's just a quick tutorial for this one. Alright, that's all I have for this one. Take care, and I'll just say arrivederci.